everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am probably more excited about this video than I have been for a video in so long, because this has been a video that I've been planning for literally like 5 years now, because that's how long I've been in my apartment. I have been wanting to do a apartment tour for you guys for so long, and I just kept telling myself, like, I have this to do, I have to get this for my apartment. It's been so long, I'm just going to pull the trigger and finally film this for you guys. We are starting to look for homes, my husband and I, pretty soon, so I don't know how much longer I will be in this apartment, so I just wanted to go ahead and film this for you guys. Like I said, I have been in this apartment for about almost 6 years, actually, since I was 25, so it was my first place ever by myself, and now my husband lives here with me as well, but it's just getting a little too cramped with both of us, so it is time to start a life and get a home soon. So I wanted to go ahead and film this for you guys. It is still very much like pink and girly aesthetic, because like I said, it was my first place by myself, and my husband honestly doesn't really mind it, so it just makes me happy, and I've kept it this way. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are new here, my name is Selah. I'm a Michigan blogger and YouTuber. I do different types of vlogs and travel videos and just a bunch of lifestyle content. If you guys enjoy this video and you get any inspiration from my apartment, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love to have you guys. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And yeah, let's go ahead and do a long-awaited apartment tour. So first things first, I just wanted to state my apartment is 1,010 square feet. I'm pretty sure it is 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and I have the upstairs unit with the vaulted ceilings and the fireplace. I absolutely love this apartment. I actually have nothing bad to say about this apartment complex. They have been absolutely amazing to me, and honestly, it was the perfect first place for myself. But like I said, it is just getting a little bit too small for the both of us, so it's about time to start looking for houses. I still want to do this for you guys. There are some changes that I would like to make, but since we are planning on moving, I just don't see the need to do that anymore. So there are some things that are like out of place, and some things that I would like to add that I haven't yet, or probably am not going to at this point, but I still want to do this for you guys because I've been wanting to do this forever. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's jump right into my girly aesthetic apartment tour. So first things first, hello comment. But right when you walk in the door, I have this little coat closet right here. It just has some scarves and stuff like crammed up there. A lot of mine and Ryan's coats, and then a lot of his shoes are down here because I don't have much space for his stuff upstairs. Then when you walk in, I just have this little table where we put our keys and a picture of my mom and I. And then this is the stairway. So it's actually really nice because these apartments are set up like kind of like a condo or a townhouse, so you have your own entrance, which I absolutely love, and I highly recommend getting an upstairs unit. I always leave my windows open, and it's just better. Not everyone can see in your apartment. It's so much better. I also have this really big window right here, which is amazing because this apartment has a lot of natural light, which I love. And then going up the stairs, I just have photos from mine and Ryan's engagement, kind of to make it more of our space. This is the main hallway, kind of cluttered. Again, we are planning on moving, so right to the left I have some more photos of Ryan and I from our engagement. I love these. My office is right in there, bathroom, living room, bedroom, kitchen. And then right here I have my favorite part, which is my bookshelf that my mom and my stepdad got me. I love how this looks right here. I have all my books and this little castle from my bridal shower that lights up at night. Super cute. There's the downstairs at the big window. Going into here, this is my office. It kind of looks cluttered, but I just have so much stuff in here. Again, I've totally outgrown this apartment. It was perfect when I first moved in and a couple years after, but I've just obtained so many things and kind of grew out of it, so it kind of looks cluttered, but it's clean cluttered, I guess. So this is my desk. I have my work computer and then my gaming computer where I play Sims and stuff like that. I have this desk, which I believe is from Hayneedle. And then I'm not sure where the chair is from. My mom actually got that for me. These two shelves are from IKEA. I love them. I love how they look. And then I have this big like lip wall decal right there, super girly and cute. I love this space. It's my makeup room and my office. Have this little light up tree. I actually thought it was a lot bigger when I ordered it, so I just have it like on this little basket, but it's still super cute. This couch, or love seat, sofa, whatever you want to call it, this is actually from Paris. My Aunt Janice gave it to my grandma. My grandma kept it for me. The pillows are from Home Goods, and I have this giant photo back here from our engagement that was supposed to go over the couch, but I feel like with a photo that big, you need to put studs in the wall, and I don't want to do that to an apartment. Another nice window right here for some good natural lighting when I work. This is all my makeup in here. This is the Alex drawers from IKEA. And then I have all of my perfumes right here. I just have some like knickknacks and cute stuff on these shelves. Then I have this little mirror right here. I love this mirror. This is like all my filming equipment, trash can. Just keep it in here. I wish I had more room to store it so it wasn't looking so cluttered, but I have a walk-in closet right here, bunch of clothes, but it also works as a storage closet, which is all that back there with like my luggage and everything. I have games and God knows what up there, but lots of clothes, all my shoes. I have more shoes down there. More storage and more clothes. Over here I have my vanity. Let me turn off the light so you can see it a little better, but this is my vanity. This is from Amazon. I absolutely love it. I got this little picture frame from Home Goods. Then walking out in this hallway, I have this little map of the world that my best friend got me. This is where I keep track of all of the countries that I've been. I love putting a new pin and seeing every place that I've went. I love this, so it definitely had to go right in the hallway. See, look at how much natural light. I love it. This is the bathroom. Vaulted ceilings, which I love. It makes it feel a lot bigger than it actually is. These rugs are from Home Goods. Shower curtain is from my mom. I'm not exactly sure where it's from, but over here I have my little skincare fridge, the stuff that we use every single day. And then over here I have more skincare. This little over the toilet little shelf is from Amazon as well. I have my speaker up there for when I'm in the shower. Then coming over here we have the kitchen. It's actually a pretty nice size for an apartment. So over here I have my KitchenAid mixer and my air fryer. Oh, right here I just have my sink, dishwasher, which is really nice. I just got this carpet from Home Goods. Over here I have my Nespresso machine. This little pods holder is from Amazon. All my little coffee stuff right here. I have a bottle of white wine for cooking. I use this on a lot of recipes. My teapot. I have my wax warmer right here. This knife set I got off of Amazon, as well as my salt and pepper shakers. Here's the stove. Little butterfly towels. I just have like a bunch of cooking stuff right here. My microwave. Comet's area with his automatic feeder and his water and food bowl. Right here, which is probably the most annoying part of my apartment, is my pantry, which is so freaking tiny. I can barely fit anything in there. And so I also keep my broom and my Swiffer in there. Watch out, Comet. Another really nice window. Got my cameras to watch my cat. My fridge, garbage can. Walking out, I have an in-unit laundry, which is chef's kiss. I can't imagine not having that. Out here is my very spacious vaulted ceilings. That's just from burning candles, so don't mind the ceiling. But I absolutely love this space. It's so spacious. I have my fireplace over there, and I love this room. It just really makes the apartment feel very large. I have this table, which is actually one of the shittiest tables that you could possibly get because it's so unsturdy, but we're just gonna throw that out when we move. But for now, it fits perfectly in here for the layout, but that is from Wayfair. Over here, I have my little bar cart. This little picture frame was from my friend Rachel. Super cute. I have this giant Juicy Couture picture frame from when I worked at Juicy. I am obsessed with it. I can't wait to actually like hang it. My coffee table, I believe, is from Wayfair as well. I have our wedding book, engagement book, some little Bath and Body Works candles right here. This is my fireplace, TV, another bright window and bright door wall with the balcony. I'll show you what outside looks like. I just have some little chairs, some gardening tools, and a table, and my little rug. I absolutely love it. I love how I'm backed up to woods. Being backed up to woods is so nice. I feel like I have like the best court and unit because you have so much privacy. A lot of these units are like backed up to the pool or the office building or just a parking lot, and everyone can see in, so I feel like this is so private and I love it. And we also get the best sunsets off of my balcony. I love it. Right here, this is like Comet's little basket that he sleeps in. I have this little table and my couch. My couch is beautiful, do not get me wrong, but I do not recommend getting a couch off of Wayfair. We had this for about a year or two and it broke, so it's being held up by one of the legs from like a block or a cinder block or a piece of wood. Pillows are from Home Goods as well. The couch, again, is from Wayfair. It's gorgeous, but it is not comfortable. It's mainly for looks. My mom got me this little rose gold light over here. I would love to put that huge picture frame that I showed you guys like right above the couch, but again, I don't want to put stents in my wall. This is a little overview. Coming in right here, I have my bedroom with Comet's little cat house with all his toys. We have this very spacious king bed. Again, another window with very bright lighting. My bed frame is from Wayfair. The bed is just from a furniture store, and I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable and so ginormous and tall, but I love it. I have my cluttered little dresser over here with so many clothes that my drawers won't even shut. A bunch of my jewelry and Ryan's watches, my Nintendo Switch. This is Ryan's side. I have this really cool thing with all of my stuff from when I got baptized. This shelf is from Juicy Couture as well. These are from Wayfair, these little drawers. And so are the lamps. Then in here is another walk-in closet. This is just all my bags and stuff. And then more clothes. This is Ryan's little section. I know, he needs more space. That's why we have to move. Up here is a bunch more like weekender bags and purses. I have all of my hoodies, sweatshirts, pants, all of that. So the nice thing about this apartment, there is a lot of closet space, which I love. So that's it for the apartment tour, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely have loved living in this apartment. I will be super sad and it will be super weird to not be in here anymore, but I think it's just time to start the new chapter in our lives. I've absolutely loved living here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And also, if you guys want to know any links for anything that's in my apartment, just comment down below and I will send you a link. I love you guys and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.